Hi guys, so I'm going to talk about my favorite section from my lesson plan. I think it had to be the section where we introduced a book called Then and Now. Um, it's a book that kind of gives insight to how jobs have evolved and how they do their job. It has changed. It kind of introduced different pictures from the past and then some from the present. And it also gave some insight to some of the tools that they used. It said that they used to use like a whistle, like police officers used to use a whistle instead of a radio that they use nowadays. So I think it was a pretty cool book, and it also was very large, so it had big pictures and they were very detailed. And so I think that those visuals would be very beneficial for young students to be able to kind of have a better understanding of those ideas and how things have evolved over time. It also kind of gives that historical context to start thinking about the past and that there's a time like before you are alive and how things change. So I think that that's a very interesting concept. Um, I just also thought it was really cool because it showed different vehicles like the fire truck, and those are things that students may have seen and that they're gonna may have prior knowledge on, and they make connections to those things. So I thought that section was really cool and that book was really cool. It was a good material for our lesson plan, so I really enjoyed that section of our lesson plan.